welcome to the channel update for the How to Al channel. This is your host, How to Al. Let's get into it. So first, the channel so far, we have created over 100 videos, received over 30,000 views, 571 hours of watch time, and over 222,000 impressions. So I guess the reasoning behind this channel update was just to give you a little bit of a heads up of where the channel is, where it plans on going, just celebrating this 100th video milestone. That was actually yesterday with the 25 things to know in Discord video. So you, the viewer, so far have submitted hundreds of comments and suggestions. I know I've received suggestions on different ways to go about doing tutorials that I've shown off, such as how to create a NSFW account on mobile. I've received a few suggestions there on other ways you can actually go about it, and they always work. And I do plan in the future making other videos showing off those tips, just make it a little bit easier for you. And then, as you can see here in the picture I have on the right, I have hundreds of comments that we've received, and I always try to make sure I get back to you as quickly as possible and give you a response. And so if you are needing help, I can hopefully get to you within a timely manner. If I'm not, and it's kind of bogging things down, let me know. I'll try to get a little bit quicker response time. Other than that, we have, as of today, 108 subscribers. So thank you to every single one of you who have subscribed. It does support me and it supports the channel. Big thanks, and I very much appreciate it. So the schedule currently we're doing one video each day at 1 p.m. Central Time every day. I've done that, I believe, for the better part of the past 100 videos. There may have been a couple times right at the start where I missed it, but overall, I feel like I've been nailing that one video at 1 p.m. Central Standard Time every day. So starting today, in honor of the 100th video anniversary, we're going to be making one video again today at 1 p.m. Central Time Standard Time, which is the video you'll be seeing right now, and then another video at 9 p.m. Central Standard Time. And what that video will be one of two things. So currently we have how-to videos. There'll be more of those as well to come, as usual. Something new that I want to start doing is tech in the news, which is basically I just go do a quick Google search for tech news, look for something interesting, and then go over it, maybe give my opinion about it, versus before, which most of my content has been just strictly factual. This will be mostly on the line of being factual, but might also contain a little bit of my opinion. And then finally, 25 things to know. That's a special video I only want to do every 100 videos or so, which is why I did it yesterday with Discord. But that is the new content that we have coming forward. And then finally, branding. So as we know now, this is my How to Al logo. Currently, it is my user profile picture that I have on my Discord server, my Discord account, my YouTube channel. It is going to be replacing the little How to Al scribble that you see in the bottom right hand corner of my YouTube videos, as well as the channel art banner that we have on the YouTube page. I'm going to be replacing that with something else as well. I currently don't have anything that I'm replacing it with, but I do plan on changing it out with something else within the coming week. So stay tuned for that. And other than that, that's all I have for you today. I want to thank you for taking the time to watch this, and look forward to joining me in future videos. So thank you, and have a wonderful day.